friends, welcome back to my channel. In this COVID-19 situation, hope you are staying at home, not going outside without any requirement and following the rules of government. Today's topic is how we can make Pokeball from marble. I like to share this thing I have done in 2005, and that time Pokemon Johto League was going on and it was amazing series. But before few days my brother has lost that, so I thought to make it again and like to share it with you all so you can also know that how we can make Pokeball from marble. So guys, let's see how we can do that. So guys, what we need to make Pokeball from marble. So we have cutter, tape, glue, scissor, scale, marble, brushes, marker pen and watercolor. So guys, first we cut strip which width need to be 0.2 centimeter and one small round from it. I have already cut it to save our time, so it will look like this, and one small round. So guys, after cutting this strip, we will going to stick it on the marble, and first I am going to stick that small round on the marble. In the middle of the marble we have to stick it just like this, and then strip in that small round. It also need to be in the middle only. So once you will do this, it will look like Pokeball. Okay friends, so now we are going to use watercolor. So guys, I am taking red color first and putting glue inside of it so it will become thick and easily can stick on the marble. After adding it, if you will think that it is becomes too much thick, then put 1 or 2 drop of water inside it and mix it properly. So any of side you can choose and start paint it like this. After you will complete this, keep it to dry to at least 5 to 10 minutes and repeat this at least 2 to 3 times. So friends, once it will dry up completely, it will look like this. Now I am going to use white color to paint it. So in white color also I am going to add glue so it will become thick, same as for what we have done for red color. I am mixing it properly so it will become easy to paint the marble. As I told you that you can add 1 or 2 drop of water if you think that it is very much thick. So guys, now I am ready. Okay guys, it's done now. I am going to keep it to dry at least 5 to 10 minutes So friends, once it will dry from both sides, it will look like this. Now with the help of cutter I am going to remove that tape strip. So just we have to pull it softly. Once you will remove the strip, also remove this black crown that we have made from that black tape. Now I am going to use black color and have followed the same thing which I followed for the black and white color, sorry, red and white color. So guys, once you will done with the black color, your pokeball will be ready. Put a drop of white color in between of the black round, so it will look like this. I am using marker pen, black marker pen, to cover the corner areas. Once you will done with your marking, it will look like a proper pokeball. You can see. So now this is going to my collection. I have few more Pokeballs in my collection and I really want to show you those all, but before that I want to show you Pokeball holder. Yes guys, this is Pokeball holder and I have made it from the cardboard. You can use any kind of box. I have also kept few round hole in it so it can easily hold the Pokeballs. The size of round hole can be differ as per the size of Pokeballs. Finally time has come and I am so excited to show you those all Pokeballs that I have made. I am going to display them one by one and keeping them in this Pokeball holder. This is friend ball. By using this, you can make any Pokemon your friend. This is Beast Ball. This is useful to catch those Pokemon who came from the other world. This is Ultra Ball. It's capture it's too high and you can easily catch the wild Pokemon. This is Great Ball. It is also useful to catch wild Pokemon. This is formal Pokeball that we have made. Every Pokemon trainer getting this in the beginning of their journey. I have made this Pokeball specially for those who love Pikachu. So guys, all Pokeballs made from the marbles only. You can see the smaller one is of 2/4 of an inch and the bigger one is of 1 inch. So guys, it is very small things but very exciting. Try it at your home and share your experience too. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like it, subscribe it and share it, and also press that bell icon so you will get new updates. So for now, bye, take care yourself and your family too. Thank you.